Hi guys, this is Val and welcome back to Val's Kitchen. What I'm gonna be doing today is some red pea soup. You know how long I'm gonna eat some red pea soup, guys. You know how long I'm out of water for some red pea soup. So you know, so we have to have meat, the peas. I have some peas in this pot. Right, but I'm gonna show it still. But I have my meat, I have some salt beef. This them darker color here, you know, so the salt beef and soak them, wash them with some vinegar, and then I have some soup bone. Yes guys, I have soup bone, it's soup meat and all of them something here. So you know, so that soup here got nice. And I have to have seasoning, right? And we just have normal scallion and thyme, garlic, pimento seed. I don't have any green pepper, so you know, so I'm gonna use a nice pepper here still, but I'm not gonna burst it tonight, that's a flavor. So for the food, I have yam, I cut off. Yam, I just really cut it already, auntie, but it's nice, pretty yam. Dry, can I eat peas from it? I cook peas from it, at least. I have sweet potato, and I have dasheen. I have some corn, I have coconut milk. I'm gonna flour with some cornmeal. Yeah, the peas don't start because yet. So just put in a meat here. I'm gonna wash the meat and it drain. Right, make sure you wash it and set it aside, make it drain. The meat and the peas, they're gonna cook together. But I'm gonna pre-season it. Yeah, I'm gonna pre-season. Can I put the water, put some water? Put the water, make it just kind of cover it right here. So when it start boil up now, just come back and put some more water, some scallion. All of these wash already, guys. Crush the garlic already. And some of the scallion. I'm not gonna use any salt as yet. Right? Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna make this boil up and then come back and show you. Just throw the water on it and just cover it down, alright? Yes. Boil up now, start boiling. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna put in some more water. So I'm just stirring everything together. I'm not don't put any salt yet. Cause what? The salt beef. Even though it's soak it from overnight and wash it out this morning, but still not trusting it until it finish cook. And the way like 1 minute or 2 minutes to take it out of the fire and you can put in some salt. Alright. The water to about there. So when I sink the peas now, you know the best. All of the peas them cook one time when I sink everybody. Yeah, I'm sinking, so I can close the pot now. And close this, and yeah, we can check the pressure cooker, check the meat and the peas the next 20 minutes time. So I'm gonna prepare the other stuff to go in the soup. All right, dasheen. Ooh. Pretty. Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna be doing is just peel the food. I have a container with water, so I'm just gonna peel them and just place them in the water that them don't get brown, you know, or them don't oxidize. All right. And the dasheen really scratching up, you know, so just resting on the water. yeah, the peas cook, the meat cook. Yeah. So now we have the peas cook. And now I have to test our meat. And the fat go right through. Right through. The meat cook. So everything cook one time. Okay then. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna put some coconut milk and put in my provision like my food. Put that. Alright. Yeah. And I'm putting my food one time. Putting all of this one time. Sorry. Woo! Woo! Guys, tell me, who cook them red pea soup with carrot and pumpkin? Yeah, just tell me that. Normally, if I cook like meatless red pea soup, I just use all the vegetables in the world. But when I'm doing it like this with the meat, when I bother put now, I don't use the carrot and the pumpkin. You know me, I'm a sweet potato that give the soup, the sweet potato and the coconut milk. So I just cover down this and then go look about my dumpling now. Right. So guys, we are on our way. I'm gonna put some dumplings. We have a trick. When the potato them cook, when the sweet potato cook, I just crush out some to give the soup some nice body and flavor, and you know. Yeah, so I just make some small dumpling. And we can make that one here. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing now, let's take out a couple pieces of them potato, sweet potato. That's a little hack. Turn up the flavor in a red pea soup. Alright, so I just some people that put flour and cornstarch in them soup. Them something they must do. No flour around here, no cornstarch. Alright. Right back. Just a little, you know, I'm not really nobody do this. Yeah, just a thought that came to mind, you know, for just crush the sweet potato, you know, and it turn up the flavor, man. Rest like all the coconut milk, you know, turn it up, man. So you just want to look up body now, so I'm gonna make it just stay for another 5 minutes and cook down to the right consistency. And guys, remember to taste your pot, taste your food when you're cooking. Yeah, alright. So guys, this is it, the right consistency. Everything is up and running, flavor up. Yes, taste it. Taste again, come taste already. Yeah. sweet potato, and the coconut milk is a must. These red pea soup, guys. Tell me about that. I'm gonna turn it off now and share a plate. You're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat with our eyes. Alright. One piece of everything, you know, guys. We want sweet potato, we want yam, you know, we want dasheen. Look at that. We want again. We want meat. We want all bone. Oh no. Soup bone. Hey, soup bone. Body there, red pea soup, you know, guys. Soup bone. See there? With that little waxy part to the edge right here, so. You see it? Wax that, you know, guys. Waxy. When your teeth go down in that, it's a Felix. Yeah. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this soup with me. Eat with your eyes. Oh God. And thanks again for watching. Thanks again for always coming back. Thanks again for always clicking the likes on the video. And remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss an upload. Thanks again for watching and bye.